This is how to set up an HD PVR. These are the materials needed. I have the HD PVR, power cable right here, firewire to USB, the HD component in cables, and the HD component out cables. You need RCA adapter. These are like $2. It is an optional audio RCA composite cable. You stick this end on top of the cable box. And you put this in the HD PVR, an Xbox, or PS3, or cable box. HD component out cable, optional composite cable if you want to put a mic in. First, make sure that your HD PVR is close enough to your computer, your Xbox 360, your PS3, and your HD TV. Next, make sure that your PC is running. Mine is over there, it's running. And then make sure that your HD PVR is plugged in. Next, you want to plug in your HD component cables into the top portion of your HD PVR. Make sure the right cables are in the right spots. After that, plug in either the Xbox 360 component cables in the bottom or the PS3 component cables in the bottom, which one you have, or the cable box component cable. Make sure they're in the right spots. Then you want to plug in your other end of the component cables that you plugged into the HD PVR into the corresponding outs in the on the back of the TV. Next, you want to plug in your if you have an Xbox, plug in your component cables in the back of your Xbox or PS3. You plug the component cables in the back of the PS3 or the cable box. You just leave it where it is. You plug that back into the TV. Then you want to make sure that your Xbox or PS3 is set to the display is on 1080i. Next, make sure the firewire cable is plugged in to the socket in the HD PVR. Next, take the other end of the firewire cable, the USB 2.0 cable, and plug it into your PC. Make sure you have installed the program that comes on the CD with the HD PVR. It is on a CD-ROM. Next, you want to open up the editing program you want to record with. It is called Total Media Extreme 2. Click on that, you wait for that to load. You want to click on Record Video, and there is going to be a preview screen of the HD PVR when it is plugged in and turned on. After that, you want to turn on your HD PVR. Next, turn on your Xbox 360. Finally, you're ready to record anything you want. From now, just press the refresh button, and you should see a screen. That is my Xbox. And now, it is the same screen you saw before on the preview. The 11th step is optional. If you want to record TV shows or movies to watch later, plug in the included blaster cable. Right here into your HD PVR. It acts as a DVR, and you can put that this part on the cable box on top, stick it on, and it will read it, record it. You use your remote to plug it in, and use your computer to scan, plug this into the HD PVR. Step 13. I am not responsible for any illegal recordings that are made as of this instructional video. You are at your own risk. This is only for instructional purposes. Thanks for watching, guys.